Hi guys, this is just a video that will show you how to crush almost everything you want to crush using Cinema 4D. Mind you, this isn't a course, this is just a particular video to show you how to do this particular stuff. So let's get along with it. Now, we first of all come to more graph and we come to more text because what we want to crush in this particular video is a text. You can write any text you want. This is the text we want to crush, but let's assume it's your enemy. So let's see, enemy while going for my update. No. While going for war, also you have an enemy, and this is what you want to crush. Yep. Again, we would like to increase the thickness of every alphabet here. So here let's increase the depth to maybe 80, not 800 but 80 centimeter, and that's a little bit clear. We can add light to see how bright some things can be, but okay, let's just add light like right now to see the reflection of this. Yeah, I think it will be good. Okay, next we're going to add the object we want to use in crushing that particular stuff we want to crush. That object we want to use in crushing our enemy when we are going for war. But first of all, I would advise you to have a plugin called Throsy installed here. I'm not going to show you how to install plugins. You should find out yourself, but once you have it, if you don't have it, you can pause this video, go find it, and the video will wait. Make sure you have it installed and you continue. Now plugins, then Throsy, then just like I said, make sure this mode text is set, it's selected. Then you come to the dynamics tab of Throsy, then mode, change from immediately to on collision, meaning it will take an action while when a collision occurs. Then we come to Throsy and we change the pieces here to any number we want. By pieces we mean in how many parts do we want each alphabet to be broken when it's crushed. So let's say let's give it maybe 10 or 8, and watch this. When I say break now, the action starts, and you see each alphabet is being broken into 8 pieces, and all the pieces aren't same sizes, but it's making sure that it's 8 and it's done. So the higher the number you put, the longer the time it takes. So that's all we need to do with Throsy. Now we need to find out what we want to crush that object with, but for the meantime let me show you a demonstration of how this will work. Now we select everything here and you come to the dynamics tab. When you change from on collision to immediately, if you play, you observe that this will move, and well, it's just the first action and it's not colliding with anything. It's just like an immediate stuff that it does. So let me change it back to on collision, and I won't change anything here. Now I would like to use a solid object to crush this text. So let me shift the light better. Okay, a solid object, let's say a cube, and we can grab our cube here and place it here. We can expand it, make it like close to that the width of the text or even more. And to know the alignment, we can come to this view, check out the top view here and see how it looks on the top view. This is our cube, which is no longer a cube, it's actually a cuboid right now. So we want to align this to be the same as that. So let me put it center, and yeah, there, just like that. And we change the view back. Now we have to change this. We come to cube, then simulation tags of cube, and we change it to a rigid body, where we are going to come to the mass here, and we change the use to a custom mass and give it a custom mass of let's say maybe 12. And now when we press the play, it automatically does the action and crashes that stuff. But we would like to take this off the screen, like out of the screen, and for users not to see. We can add one more light to show, but that's not it. So now we can add a floor, and the floor will cover this. So now I'm going to put the floor this way. I'm going to use this to see if this is on the floor. Yes, it is on the floor, and we can do a mini a quick render to see how it will look, and this is how it looks with the light. Now the floor, we can give it an attribute of when we come to simulation. Okay, when I right click and I come to simulation tags, and I come to the floor, I can give it also a rigid body, and the dynamics or the collision, the shape, we're going to change it to a static mesh. Now as I've changed this to a static mesh, it's going to like bounce on it, something like that, and when we press play again, it bounces, and it becomes that. So now we can add more effects. It's our enemy, we can leave it black and white, so we can add more effects to maybe the floor and the object hitting it. So we can come to create here, and we create a new material. Now let's I'm going to double click this to view the properties of the new material I've created, and I'm going to add some colors and some customizations. So let's give it any color, like we want maybe a green tile, or let's say a brown. How can I get brown here? I'm not good with colors, but I believe I can get it. That's dark green, and oh, that's bad. I'm not good with colors, but well, we can leave it at blue. It's still not that. So to activate this material property on the floor, we just drag this and paste it on the material, on the object we want, and I've pasted it on this. So when I do a quick render, it's going to show that blue part of the floor, and we want to give our object something better, like a better look. And I'm going to create another object also, a new material, sorry, and just like I did previously, I am going to double click my material and give it another color, and this is it. We can add more things, like different stuffs on it. It's a fog, let's say it glows, like the sun. A lot of things, luminance. If you are good with all these things, you are really good with it. So let's say it's a bright shining, I don't know what to call this. It's sun. It's not sun, but it has something shining bright, and it's good as it is. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to apply it also to our material, and it's pink. So when I do a quick render one more time, I'm going to see that the floor is light blue, and this stuff acting on it is like, oh, like a spirit. So let me move a little bit forward like this, so that this will be out of sight, and your enemy comes, and well, let me add one more light to make this clear. Oh, the light is good. The light makes it bright and look excellent. though it's an enemy, but it's still good. This is how it is. Now when I press play, look at it. It comes, crushes the enemy, and it stays, and it's a success. So thank you for watching, and I believe you've learned this particular trick. Have a nice day. Thank you. By the way, I am Williams Alfred Onen, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.